Updating your legal name on Steady is a straightforward process that ensures your account reflects your current identity. Follow these steps to make the change quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Steady account by entering your username and password on the official website or app. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings section. This is usually found in the menu or profile area of your account. Step 3. Select Name Change option. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter your new legal name. You will be prompted to enter your new legal name. Make sure to input it exactly as it appears on your legal documents to avoid any issues. Step 5. Submit documentation. After entering your new name, you may need to upload supporting documents such as a marriage certificate or court order. Follow the instructions to submit these documents for verification. Once you have completed these steps, your request will be processed. Keep an eye on your email for confirmation or any further instructions.